Hello, I'm gonna make a video of my old tablet, which is kinda broken. It's not working, it's just defective. So I'm gonna open it up so everybody can see what it looks like from the back inside. So I have opened the tablet, and as you can see, that's the motherboard chipset and the battery. The big yellow lines, that's the battery for the tablet. And that's what it looks like when you open up a regular tablet. This one is basically an Acer B1 780. So that's the battery. As you can see, it's a pretty big battery for a tablet comparatively to a mobile device or a phone. So if I tilt it, you can see how large the battery takes up the space inside the tablet. It's also pretty thin, but that's the battery. Serial number, the chipset, some transistor resistors, or the camera, the reverse camera, the back, the tablet from the front. That's what it looks like from the front. I hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe and keep watching. Thanks.